Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. It's a quick video on how to sell your NFT your NFT your okay to the platform and how to release them. So that's what I'm talking about in this video. So after you have done your daily tax for the day, so what happens is you come to claim more NFT. This is how to sell NFT. As you can see here, because of my black teams, I have NFC. I wanted to say NFC about 23,000 naira worth of NFC. So sellable currently as I'm speaking now is about 46 naira. So if you sell it, and you can see my current balance here is showing about 4,600. So now if I click sell to the platform, you will now see what is available for sale. You see one NFC, you can see it here. You can see it here now. You see one NFC equals to 1 naira. So you can see what they are written here. You say Firevip group buys back NFC at 101 IG. 1 equals to 1 naira, and it's estimated that the value of NFC will be at least 10 times more when NFC is launched on the exchange in August 2022, and one NFC can be exchanged for 10 naira at that time. So as you are accumulating more NFC, we are hoping for the best. So if you click confirm now, say recommend all users to sell. So I've sold my NFC for the day. Before I can get this NFC again, it has to say no NFC currently available for sale now. Release, you say for me to get the release, there's a rule for that. So for you to get the release, this is the rule of getting NFC. It says releasing instructions. 1.02% of NFC will be released to the stabled account every day. 2. Invite your friends to top up, and you can quickly release 3% of the top up amount of NFC. Example, if your friend top up 20,000 naira, you can release 20,000 times 3% is 600 NFC. NFC held by users across the platform will be released when it is launched on the exchange in August. So August is like about it's a month away now. So let's wait and see when this NFC is going to be launched on the platform. Now here is a coupon that you can actually use. Here you can see the coupon here. If you click there, I have about 2,000 naira worth of coupon in this account. It's other two ways to use this coupon. The two ways are you can use it to buy more what is it called, more packages, or you can give it out as a free gift to new members. So that is just the two ways of buying the NFT by using the coupon on this platform. So that is just it, and that is the purpose of doing this video, guys. So if you are new to this channel, just kindly click on the bell icon, subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And you can see as of today, because of the NFC and all of that I have earned, as you can see, I have earned about 400 naira so far for today. So that is it, guys, on this channel, how to use your coupon and NFT. So it's very important, at least before August, you can be selling your NFT every day. You can be selling your NFT every day to get your account boosted on a daily basis. Boost your account on a daily basis. You can see here, if this is exchanged by August, according to them on any exchange, you are going to make a lot of money from this. I tell you guys, you're going to make a lot of money from this. So right now, keep selling it to the platform on a daily basis. Just sell it to the platform on a daily basis and make your money from it. Till when that is done, you can ask how to add to your account on a daily basis, and that is it. So guys, That is what I have to tell you. And if you are new to this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and I want you to be part of this. If you jump on these platforms when I introduce them newly, just jump on it. That is the best time to run these things. So that whenever what happens, as I'm talking to you, this account now, if I show you something now in this account, if I show you account details, no, let's go to income. You see, this account has fetched me about 6,000. If you take 4,000 out of this, that's about more than 6,000 now. So this is what I have earned so far on this account. So far on this account, you see, today alone, income of yesterday was 900. Today, today, today alone is now 400 naira. So every day I make money on this platform by watching ad on social media platform. So the 4,000 I invested there, I have taken my money back within 30 days. So what are you waiting for? So you not come and say, all these guys has come. Oga, do this thing while it lasts. Make use of it when the sun shine. So that is it I have to tell you guys, and thank you for watching. The link to get on board on Fire VIP is going to be in the description of this video. You can connect with me. My WhatsApp link is going to be there too, and I'll be very happy to hear from you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.